communicating with the FA-18 Hornets, which are being prepared for their starting runs on the way that if required, and we figure they will be. Now the battle is beginning on the ground. The battle space is occupied by the enemy. The runway to position themselves behind the rocky outcrop of the trees and the cover that they look for to mount a section attack against the enemy. A small arms fire taking place at the moment is the special forces trying to suppress the enemy. The enemy desperate to hold on to the piece of real estate they captured just 10 minutes ago. 6th Aviation Army repositioned the Black Hawk helicopter out of harm's way. The helicopter will remain abeam the battle space until required for a hot extraction to pull the special forces out. Personnel, if you missed the earlier announcement, bad guys, good guys, are RAAF #1 Airfield Defence personnel mounting this simulated ground attack. So the Black Hawk moves abeam the field. 77 Squadron aircraft in communication with the battle commander on station, ready to come in if required. The ensuing battle before you in the southern area, in front of the gold stand and the main public area, now has the enemy being suppressed as the special forces begin to move forward onto the bad guys. The enemy beginning to be repelled by the special forces as they cross. Battle commander communicating with the aircraft.
31 and 2, clear hot.
FA-18 to the right. Incoming. Suppress the enemy. Second wave of FA-18s on standby. And here's the call in. So FA-18s have been cleared off stage and the hot extraction has been authorised by Battle Space Commander. That means the 6th Aviation Army Black Hawk helicopter will now reposition to extract the Special Forces troops. It would appear that the enemy that took that piece of real estate not 10 minutes ago have now been justifiably suppressed. Smoke canisters being released to mark, green smoke to mark for the pilot of the Black Hawk helicopter, so he can, if this were a night operation, he would know exactly where the Special Forces troops are located. The Black Hawk moves in for the battle space scenario that the enemy has any legs at all and able to mount a counter-offensive, it would be highly unlikely. So the 77 Squadron FA-18 Hornets have done their job, and the 6th Aviation Army Black Hawk helicopter crew and the Special Forces against the enemy and the battle scenario has been completed. The Special Forces and the bad guys